the head of Knuckles is ready. Exploded the size, and I hope it came out good this time. Time for our plate number 2 is ready. Nice. Plate number 3 is ready. I think the hands and the feet, part of the feet. Plate number 4 is ready. And plate number 5 is ready. Plate number 6 is also ready. Part of the shoes. And our tray number 7, our last tray, is also ready. And our Mr. Knuckles is ready. Increase the size up to 5 inches. This is for the size comparison with my Bambu P1S. Having said that, a bit flimsy. It doesn't stand on its own. By hook or crook, I have made it stand right now. But yeah, maybe solid legs instead of the joints. But yeah, came out nice. The hands move. Sorry. But yeah, the hands move. But as I mentioned, design is a bit flimsy. Would have preferred if the legs were one piece in all. But yeah, I think it came out nice with all the defects. Let me know your comments. Thanks.